As you know, we are transitioning to a home learning model here at ASF because of the coronavirus outbreak. And part of our home learning is going to be working these challenge sets that we've been working. And we're going to introduce a few different details about how to make sure that we maintain productivity and that we're able to share our work. And so this video is about challenge set 23. And I've printed a copy of this out, but you of course have access to this on PowerSchool Learning, and you can print it out if you like. But regardless, you're going to have to work these problems in your problem journal. And many of you have gotten started on this task already, but I'm going to show you my expectations with respect to the problem journal here. I've worked the first problem on this page, and just notice a couple things about my problem journal. First of all, I've titled this page with the thing that I'm working on. And next, I actually work the problems in a way that it's really clear what the problem is asking us to do, and our solution sort of speaks to the structure of the problem rather than just having a bunch of scribbling in here. This is important because you're going to be expected to share some of your problems both with me and probably with the class as well. So it's important not just to get an answer, but to communicate your process. So here I've worked problem number 1, and I've followed the instructions by copying the graph of the original function f of x and then performing the appropriate translation and then describing that translation in words for each of these 3 transformations that we were meant to do. And I'll just add this right here for the third one. We said g of x was equal to f of x plus 3 plus 1. And that's the transformation that's happening here. And then I did a little summary down at the bottom. I was asked to describe what changes happen when we translate a graph and what stays the same. And so don't be afraid to use a whole page for a problem in order to lay it out and really communicate what it is that you're doing. So make sure that if you've already worked problems from this set, that they are legible and communicative. And if you're not done with it, then you need to make sure that you get done with the entire set, which is not trivial. There are 22 problems on this set. So just make sure you check the due date for this assignment on PowerSchool so that you can be sure to have all of this done by the time it's due.